Hey, it's Brian here with Revant Optics.
Hey, Brian. Sorry to interrupt, but did you get the memo about Hawaiian Shirt Day?
Oh, I saw it, but I kind of forgot.
Yeah, I'm gonna need you to put on a Hawaiian shirt and restart the video, okay?
Oh. Well, I'm Brian,
And I'm Ryan.
here today to talk about a couple new frames.
Yeah. Today we're gonna talk about the Maui Jim Ho'okipa Ultra, and we're doing it in Hawaiian shirts because it just felt right.
It's a vibe.
So this is a contemporary, sporty evolution of one of Maui Jim's all-time best sellers. They updated the design, there's new curving temples, there's a wavy pattern on the nose pads and temple tips, as well as Maui Jim logo molded into the temple rubber.
They're a semi-rim, super sporty design, really perfect for all-day wear.
That's exactly what they are. Lightweight, ultra durable, built for your most dynamic outdoor activities. The Ho'okipa has always been a choice piece of flair for outdoor adventure, and this version just levels it up.
We have a pair of our new Spectra Boost Ice Blue lenses in here, which sharpen contrast and boost natural vibrancy, whether you're on the water, the trail, or wherever.
Seeing life in HD, basically.
Basically. So if you want a pair of these lenses or any of the other colors we offer, check out revantoptics.com. This is a pretty sick stapler.
There it is. I'm gonna need to go ahead and take that from you.